today as we check out this 2016 Airstream Interstate E Class B RV. If you're really wanting to go off-grid and enjoy the great outdoors in a luxurious Class B RV that has that solar panel charging capability, that Awning generator, a full galley, an amazing wet bath, and a huge king-size bed, you're going to want to see this one. Hey guys, it's Sonia here at Woodys Automotive Group, the highest rated dealership in Middle America, and you can learn why at over 10,000reviews.com. So this does have that Mercedes-Benz 3.0 liter V6 chassis. It comes with that turbo diesel engine. It's got that 24.5 fuel capacity, and as we come to the back, you do have the dual bike rack with that 5,000-pound tow package, and you've also got those Alcoa upgraded wheels. So let's check out the inside. All right, as you enter the cab, you'll notice that you've got these really soft leather heated swiveling seats. They are super comfy and they're super soft. Look at this headliner up here. You've got all this space right here. And over here you've got your power heated mirrors with your blind spot monitoring and crosspath detection. The great thing about this RV, it comes with a lot of advanced safety features that you don't normally see on RVs. You've got your cluster controls right there and your voice command over here. And then this is a 7-speed automatic transmission. Like I said, this does have that diesel engine, 3.0 liter V6. And then as you head over to your Kenwood RV media center, you do have that navigation. You've also got lots of apps. You can make and receive phone calls through your media center and lots of different settings. And then up here you do have your backup camera, nice big clear screen. And then as you come down, you do have your climate controls in button form, your heated seat controls, nice little pull-out tray there. All right, so let's check out the fun part. Let's go in the back. So now we're in the back area, and look at that. You've got that nice 27-inch TV, and then over here you've got your, you can swivel those chairs, and you can have a workstation right here. Your galley consists of this cooktop. It's a Dometic cooktop, and it also has this Whirlpool refrigerator freezer. And then you've got this nice pull-out microwave. It's in excellent condition. You've got a nice drawer there. And you do have another drawer here with all your remotes. And this is a really nice Corian countertop. You've also got these power roller shades. And then up here, you've got more space. Lots of different compartments. And you do have a nice big single stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet, which is really nice. And then up here you do have your power fan, and you'll notice that you've got LED lighting throughout. I love that. You can't have enough lights. There's a nice pantry right there. And then over here you do have your wet bath with your shower and your pedal toilet and your fan. Nice mirror. And then on this side, look at this huge wardrobe. My goodness, it's massive. Love that. And then you have your rooftop Dometic air conditioning. It's also got a Dometic furnace, 16,000 BTU furnace, 13,500 BTU AC. The fresh water on this is 32 gallons. The gray is 27 gallons, and then 14-gallon black water. And look at that. You've got drawers. You don't see that very often. So now we're in the back seat area, and you can use these as seats, or you can convert them into a big giant bed. I love all the windows. You've got your Kenwood speakers right here, so you're going to get amazing premium sound. There's a power outlet over there with your thermostat, easy access, and you've got quite a bit of space back here too, so you could put some items back here as well. And you've got your bug shield, which is really handy. And you do have under storage, under bed storage. nice. It's just a lot of storage areas. It's amazing. And then up here is all of your controls, and everything is labeled. I love that. So you've got your Cummins Omni generator there. There's your solar panel, so you can see what's going on with your solar panel, your tank status, your battery status, your TV, DVD outlets, everything, easy access. There's your smoke detector and your carbon monoxide. So if you're in the market for a Class B RV and you really would like to get more information on this Airstream, check this one out on our website at WowWoodys.com, or just come visit us on our 15-acre mega lot. And you can see all of our RVs just by going to WowRVBuying.com. I'm Sonia, until next time. Wow.